வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 1 ராக்ஸ் அண்ட் சாயில்ஸ் லெசன் book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Option A, atmosphere. Option B, biosphere. Option C, lithosphere. Option D, hydrosphere. Here the correct answer is option C, lithosphere. Second one, World Soil Day is observed on option A, 15th August, option B, 12th January, option C, 15th October, option D, 5th December. Here the correct answer is option D, 5th December. Third one, fossils are found in option A, sedimentary rocks, option B, igneous rocks, option C, metamorphic rocks, option D, plutonic rocks. Here the correct answer is option A, sedimentary rocks. Fourth one, the top layer of soil is called as option A, organic layer or humus, option B, topsoil, option C, subsoil, option D, bedrock. Here the correct answer is option A and B, organic layer or humus and topsoil. Fifth one, ideal soil for growing cotton is option A, red soil, option B, black soil, option C, alluvial soil, option D, mountain soil. Here the correct answer is option B, black soil. Sixth one, the major components of soil is option A, rocks, option B, minerals, option C, water, option D, all the above. Here the correct answer is option B, minerals. Seventh one, which one of the following is the most widespread, most and productive category of soil? Option A, alluvial soil, option B, black soil, option C, red soil, option D, mountain soil. So the correct answer is option A, alluvial soil. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, scientific study of rocks is called dash. The answer is petrology. Second one, dash soil is highly suitable for millets cultivation. The answer is red soil. Third one, the skin of earth is dash. The answer is soil. Fourth one, dash is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. The answer is white marbles. Fifth one, dash is known as the primary rocks. The answer is igneous rocks. Third Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, igneous rocks are called primary rocks. The answer is true. Second one, slate is formed from shale. The answer is true. Third one, red soil is formed by the process of leaching. The answer is false, because laterite soil is formed by the process of leaching. Fourth one, M sand is used as alternative for natural sand in construction. The answer is true. Fifth one, volcanic mountains are covered with sedimentary rocks. The answer is false, because sedimentary rocks are formed from broken pieces of rocks. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, granite, plutonic rock, soil layer, bedrock, barrel island, active volcano, soil conservation, strip forming. So here the correct answer is option A, 2, 1, 4, 3. Match the following. Second one, basalt, extrusive igneous, limestone, sedimentary rock, coal, anthracite, gneiss, metamorphic rock. So here the correct answer is option B, 2, 4, 1, 3. Fifth Roman letter, choose the incorrect statement from the following. First one, statement A. Igneous rocks are called the primary rocks. Statement B. Soil is the product of weathering of rocks. Statement C. Sedimentary rocks are the oddest ones. Statement D. Deccan Plateau is the region of igneous rocks. So here the incorrect statement is statement C. Sedimentary rocks are the oddest ones. Second one, statement A. Soil erosion decreases its fertility. Statement B. Dynamic metamorphism is caused by high temperature. Statement C. Soil is a renewable source. Statement D. Humus is a part of the top layer of soil. Here the incorrect statement is statement B, that is dynamic metamorphism is caused by high temperature. Sixth Roman letter, consider the following statements and choose the right option from the given ones. First one, statement 1. Sedimentary rocks consist of many layers. Statement 2. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediments deposited at different points of time. Option A. 1 and 2 are correct and 2 explains 1. Option B. 1 and 2 are correct but 2 does not explain 1. Option C. 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. Option D. 2 is correct but 1 is incorrect. So here the correct answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct and 2 explains 1. Seventh Roman letter, give reasons for the following. First one, chemical sedimentary rocks are found in the beds of reservoirs. Question number 2. Igneous rocks are found in the regions of volcanoes. Eighth Roman letter, distinguish the following. Question number 1. Differentiate metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Second one, differentiate soil conservation and soil erosion. Ninth Roman letter, answer briefly. Question number 1. How are igneous rocks formed? Question number 2. Describe about the composition of soil. Question number 3. Define rock. Question number 4. State the types of soils. Question number 5. What is soil conservation? 10th Roman letter, answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Explain the process of soil formation. Question number 2. Classify and explain the rocks. So we should explain about igneous rocks and its types, sedimentary rocks and its types, and metamorphic rocks and its types. Question number 3. Give an account of different layers of soil. So we should explain about the layers of soil. Question number 4. Classify and explain the soil. So we should give the classification of soil and explain it. What are the different types of soils? Alluvial soil, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, mountain soils and desert soils. Map work. Mark the areas of black soil on the outline map of India. In text question, find out what is the base of the house made up of. Let us see some additional questions for competitive exams. Choose the correct answer. First one, dash rocks are called primary rocks. Answer is igneous. Second one, dash rocks are also known as stratified rocks. The answer is sedimentary. Third one, oldest sedimentary rocks of the world have been identified in dash. The answer is Greenland. Fourth one, dash soil is suitable for millet cultivation. The answer is red soil. Fifth one, dash soil is porous and saline. The answer is desert. Sixth one, the time needed to form soil depends on the dash. The answer is climate. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash refer to rock in Greek. The answer is Petrus. Second one, out of 2000 different types, only dash are the basic minerals commonly found all over the earth. The answer is 12. Third one, dash or chemical substance which exist in nature. The answer is minerals. Fourth one, minerals exist in nature in the form of dash or dash. The answer is elements or compounds. Fifth one, the word igneous is derived from the Latin word dash and meaning dash. Answer is ignis, fire. Sixth one, intrusive igneous rocks are also called dash rocks. The answer is crystallines. Seventh one, meta means dash and morpho means dash. Answer is change and shape. Eighth one, in wet tropical area, soil formation is dash. Answer is faster.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.